Grenada. We're about to go on a hike, probably the scariest car ride of my life. We had to come and get walking sticks first to help us with the trail, so hopefully I can vlog and walk because I don't even know if I can walk without this. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you my top 5 tips for hiking. So Tyler's going to start us off with tip number 1.
Bye, thank you, Mommy.
Always have a stick.
Always have a stick. Give you tip number 2 for hiking.
Never lose visual contact with your guide. If you don't speak the native language, use hand signals. This means, please wait for me.
Exactly. So right now, since I'm in the back of the pack, this is what I'll do if I want the whole group to slow down. Dad has it. What is it?
Speak English here.
And now the whole group will stop for me, and it's perfect. My next tip: if 2 roads diverge in a narrow road, take the road less traveled, because you can't be like everyone else. Tyler, what's to give credit?
Robert Frost.
That's by Robert Frost. I can't take credit for that genius line. Wow. I knew I'd have to walk back soaking wet, but you know, you're only on an island with a waterfall once, so I couldn't vlog the uphill trek because it was kind of hard. But Dad, it's time for one last hiking tip.
When hiking in humidity greater than 80%, what you have to do is exhale twice, 1, 2, and inhale once. 1, 2, 1.
I think you got that flipped.
By doing that, you condense the air to the proper moisture.
Exactly, and also, always wear your hat on backwards because you look more. Oh my god! Let me show my cow friend. Hey, what's up? Do you want to hang out? Alright, my last tip. If you see a cow, always say hi. Tyler, say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Do you want to give one last hiking tip? I said 5, but I have so many tips that I can't limit it to 5.
Oh! Duh. The last tip is that if you use Macy's promo code, you can get 20% off on this great excursion. The way you do that is you type in Macy's crazy hiking adventure, LOL.
Haha.
Haha, too.
Perfect.
And you can get 20% off and do exactly what he did. How cool is that?
I'll link it down below. What's up? We're in Bon Air. It's humid. We're shopping around. Gonna go on a little boat soon to a snorkel spot. And if you think we've been snorkeling every day, you're absolutely wrong. We only went one day, and
Snorkeling's fun.
Snorkeling's fun. There's only so many times that you can look at tropical fish and see Nemo. Did Nemo ever find Dory?
Giving into your touch, I will never get enough. Diving deep into the ocean.
Guys, we just got here and it's actually the weirdest thing ever. If you're a football fan at all, you'll know Baker Mayfield from Oklahoma. And we actually found him reincarnated on this beach, and we're kind of freaking out right now. What? Baker, what are you doing here? Shouldn't you be wallowing in your sadness?
Why did you get mom her hat?
Literally, what is Baker doing? What is Baker doing? Oh. Seriously. High risk, high reward. Throwing the ball right next to the ocean. Let's see if he gets it. He did!
You guys are such buttheads.
Like I said, Baker Mayfield reincarnated. If you want to follow him, I'll link it down below, but Trey, what's your name?
Baker Mayfield.
Baker Mayfield, reincarnated.
Tyler, give me a high risk, high reward.
This is high risk, high reward. Any football tips?
Sure, you're Baker Mayfield.
Always believe in yourself.
Always believe in yourself. Baker brings up such a good point that is so forgotten about sometimes. Always believe in yourself. High risk, high reward. Oh my gosh. It actually went in the water. What? Oh my gosh, she's going in to get it too. Oh gosh, this vlog clip was nothing like how I intended it to be. I have a feeling.
Get a picture.
I'm getting a vlog. I didn't want to end the vlog on a bad note, but after Trevor dropped his football in the water and my dad said no to me getting ice cream, I think I'm just gonna have to say goodbye right here. I did.
Cue the outro.
Unexpected turbulence.
You can be my guiding light. Keep me company in the night. That's all I need. All I want is for you to stay a little